Welcome back, Crypto Rico here with another one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Put on that bell notification so you too could be notified when we're over here experiencing the abundance of money, man. You guys do not want to miss out. Also, don't miss out on a $100 giveaway. Simply like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, tag me and a friend on Twitter. That's simple, that easy. Win the $100. Use the tips and tricks in the video to make it grow, or simply go spend it. None of this is financial advice. I'm bringing financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, let's get started, man. By popular demand, being hit up on Telegram, Twitter, on YouTube comments, you guys got it. You guys want to see the technical analysis? You guys want to see where we're at? We got this. We're good right now. I'm gonna tell you guys that right now. Just hold the line, because we're sideways trading. We're consolidating. So if we're going downward, then we would be worried and we would be seeing supports down here where we got before due to us sideways trading, and we can already identify prior supports where we identified them. 1 second, right here. Remember this one right here, and now we got this one and we have this one. So we have 3 on the bottom, which that's a good sign. And as you guys notice right now, the blue line has not crossed to the downside on the MACD, which that would identify it being turning bearish, where the bears will start to pick up momentum. Then we would see the candles on the MACD flip over. But you guys already know, I always say trust in this cross right here, man. When this thing flips over to the other side right here, that's the momentum for sure. It doesn't like to play around too much, you know. For the most part, once it switches over, it's gonna go for a little bit. And if you notice, when they're close, notice when they started getting separated. Look at the MACD when the blue line started getting really close to the white one, because the sellers were almost going to win the pressure right there. We're going to flip over, but the bulls stepped back in, and we don't want to go under this line. So we found support right here at the 66 range. So that's really good. I'm happy to hear that. And you know, we broke and we erased a zero last night, and I'm pretty sure that by the end of the night we'll probably be tapping those ranges again. Considering that we're sideways trading, so we got nothing to worry about. We're still going up. We're in a bullish trend. If we would see this really peeling back down to the downside, right now what's happening, we're just accumulating right now. You see how the MACD's down here is really oversold? Hold on, this happens sometimes. 1 second. Okay, all right, so the MACD, you see how it passed down right here, really oversold. So we're oversold, and we're creeping right now to the upside with this cross flipping over. What I would like to see, and what you guys want to see, notice that when we had this uptick this way, notice the incline of the volume going up. We had the sell-off right here, which is fine right there. We found support where we had support before. And why was this support before? You guys rocking with me, you guys know what's up, because this was the breakout point right here. This was the resistance. So we found support 3 times right here. Usually that's called a triple bottom. You know, some people want it to be perfect. They call it head and shoulders. You know, it's not technically the head and shoulders pattern, but basically when there's a triple bottom, it'll form some kind of cup and handle looking thing. And you know, they got a bunch of different names for it or whatnot, but I like to make it simple where, you know, we got identified the trend, because the trend is your friend. That's how you guys want to trade. Make it as simple as you can. And with the cross on the other side and this blue line peeling up, and I would like to see some volume picking up like this. So we've seen it go up this way and then peel down, you know. So a nice little uptick in the volume would definitely identify that we're back into this. The bulls are back in the game going like this in the volume, you know, because we peeled this way. We peeled downward on this way with the volume. So from going up this way, we peeled down. So now we would have to peel back up if we're back into the bullish trend. So I think we are, because we held support and now we're making higher lows. Notice that when we went up and we came back down low, this is a higher low. So when we peel back down low again, we might find there might be a little support right here, a little trend line right here that's happening right here. Notice that rejection and support again, and then a breakout and sustaining the price right here. So we might have some little support right here, and that's really good, because that identifies that we'll start making higher lows. So that that's another reason, another way to tell that we're back in a bullish trend. If we start making lower lows, we're in trouble. But as far as that, everything's good, everybody. So, you know, keep rocking with me, keep putting the comments, put some emojis. You know, I'm listening, so make sure that you guys keep doing what you're doing. Make sure you share this video on Twitter. Also, make sure you guys get tapped in with me on my money bag alerts. You guys see it down in the description down below. Some people are getting tapped in. They're already seeing some green. So you guys know what's up. You guys know what's coming. Continue to come back. Experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time. Later.